Hi, this is Venkat here again uh, in a new video. Recently, I was reading a very interesting, you know, topic on, how employers have started analyzing what's your Uber score. Have you ever actually stopped to think about what your Uber score says about you? Does it have anything to do with your, leadership qualities? Yes, it's not just a number, it reflects your character and how you interact with the world. So let's dive deeper into why your Uber score actually matters, more than actually you think. Now, the question I have is think about, the last time you traveled by a Uber cab. After reaching the destination, what did you do? You rated the driver and he rated you, right? It's a simple exchange, but actually speaks volumes about your behavior and attitude. Imagine this scenario. A few years later, you're sitting in an interview and the hiring manager asks you, what's your Uber score? Don't be surprised if this happens. Your Uber score has become, a very subtle yet telling metric of your leadership skills and character. It's not a hypothetical scenario. Employers are increasingly looking at non-traditional metrics to gauge candidates for soft skills and also the cultural fit. So your Uber score isn't just about how you treat your driver. It's a window into how you navigate the world around you. It matters because your Uber score reflects how you treat others. Even in momentary interactions. How have you treated your the people you've encountered in a daily life? From the maid to the lift man, every interaction shapes your reputation and actually leaves an impression. Have you been courteous and respectful? Have you shown appreciation for their service? Think about it. These seemingly, small gestures actually speak volumes about your empathy and interpersonal skills. The relevance of Uber score extends, beyond job interviews. You know, let's talk about leadership. What is leadership? It's about building and nurturing relationships, with your Uber driver, your colleagues, your team, your clients, etc. How you treat others in these fleeting moments speaks volumes about your leadership style and character. Consider the parallels between your interactions in an Uber and your interactions in the workplace, right? Just as you rate the driver's professionalism and courtesy, your colleagues and subordinates evaluate your leadership based on how you treat them, right? So what can you do to ensure that your Uber score, and by extension, your leadership reputation remains outstanding, right? It's very simple. Treat others with kindness and respect. Empathy goes a long way, whether in a Uber or interacting with someone in your personal or professional life. These qualities are universal, whether you are in a back seat of a Uber or, let's say, in a boardroom of a Fortune 500 company. So, what are the tips to improve this Uber score? Which actually would, reflect your, leadership qualities. First is, listen well. Take the time to listen attentively to your Uber driver, your colleagues, your team members, etc. Show genuine interest, that actually builds trust and, strengthens relationship. The second is Communicate clearly, whether giving a feedback to your driver or leading a team project. Communicate openly and transparently. Clear communication actually fosters understanding and trust. The third is, show gratitude. Express appreciation for efforts, whether it's thanking your Uber driver or acknowledging your colleagues, for their contributions. Gratitude creates a very positive atmosphere and encourages, teamwork. Number four is handle conflicts gracefully. Conflicts do arise, right? And when they do, address them calmly, and seek solutions that benefit everyone involved. Resolving conflicts constructively actually builds respect and collaboration. And the last point, the fifth one, is seek improvement. Reflect on your interactions and find ways to improve. So take feedback, as an opportunity for growth and strive, to become a better leader daily. I have one question for you, to reflect upon. Think of two individuals in your workplace and two in your personal life, who probably are, less privileged than you. What little acts of kindness and respect can you integrate in your daily interactions with them, to nurture positive relationship and strengthen your leadership qualities? I want you to, write them down and also indicate in the comment section. Now, to conclude, your Uber score isn't just a number. It actually reflects your character, leadership potential, and ability to navigate interpersonal relationships. So the next time you hail a ride, consider the impact of your actions, beyond the journey itself. After all, how you treat others speaks volumes about the kind of person and the leader you are. And that's all for today. Until next time, keep improving your Uber score. If you like this video, I want you to click the like button, and please also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will get a notification as and when a new video is posted. Goodbye and take care.